Well, I guess I ought to get to doing the right thing today. I made a mess out of my garage a few days ago. I still haven't cleaned it up, although I think I did clean it a little bit more than it was. I still got a lot of stuff here that needs to go someplace. Them things right there are heavy. These are, that piece of wire broke too. See, I had a piece of wire on here. I could pick that up by that little handle. I don't know how that got broke, but unless I fix that, it's gonna be hard to pick them up. Maybe I can get me another piece of wire. Let's put some more wire around it. Oh, and I want to fix that thing right there. All this electrical stuff needs to go someplace where I can like figure out what it is and where it is. Like all them little twisty tie things. They seem like they ought to have a little dedicated container to go into. And, oh, you know, stuff like that. So, I suppose if I was a upright and righteous man as I should be, I would just sit myself down right here and get this done. Dang, sometimes doing the right thing is hard. I'm just saying, it's hard sometimes to do the right thing. You gotta turn on the air conditioner. Suppose I could be putting all these little things in here. See, there is some things like this that could come in really handy. Oh, in so many places. This is basically a box that I can put two of these in. Like that, little plug-ins, and I got this little cover to go on top of that, see? And then I could put one of these in. It's one of those little things that you put around the wire when you bring the wire in there, so makes it nice and neat. And then I could put that out there. I ran a little plastic single plug box out of that breaker out there just so I'd have something back there to plug into. But if I had something like this, I could run two of them back there and I could make it waterproof, watertight, where it wouldn't get water inside of it. That'd be good. So basically I'll keep this to the side here. I got another one here. This is a 50 amp welder plug that fits that plug over there, which I took my old welder plug away and used the wire to run out to here, so I need a new welder plug that fits that, because this is different from that. It's a different kind of plug. Well, this is actually kind of a universal plug. I don't love these. I think they're kind of cheap, but they get me by. So, oh, what else? I got stuff here. I got a lot of stuff here. Or she sakes, great ball of fire. Probably need some more bags or something to put some more of this stuff in. Got a couple 30 amp plugs here. Neither one of them have the kind of plug that I use. I might could make one. I got one of these which I was going to use to hide some wires in. Didn't wind up using that either. Oh, the joy. I got a bunch of these things. Kind of hot out here already. I'll start the fan. All right, this is my start on cleaning things up in here, and I'll admit it ain't very clean. But, you know, it's all kind of electrical junk sitting here. These pieces I'm keeping because that's going to be the plug for my welder plug over there. And that's going to be for the plug that's going to go on that post over there. And I've tried to combine all this wiring stuff along with a lot of other stuff over here in such a way that I can take it down back there and kind of stick it under that big table that I made to build banjos on the other day, or somewhere down there, I don't know. But anyway, that's where I'm going with this. And you know what? It's not fast, not that fun, but oh well, gotta do what you gotta do, right? Oh well.